Today, I'm going to teach you how to install FluentSMTP in WordPress. If you're looking to improve your email deliverability and ensure your WordPress emails actually reach their destination, FluentSMTP is an essential plugin that can help you achieve that. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to open your website's WordPress admin dashboard. Simply log into your WordPress site using your credentials, and you'll land on the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. This is your central hub for controlling everything from content to plugins and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options for managing your site. Look for the option labeled Plugins and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin installation area where you can browse and add new functionality to your WordPress site. Now you'll see a search box at the top right of the screen that says Search Plugins. Click inside this box and type FluentSMTP. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering the available plugins to show you relevant results. This search function makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need among the thousands of plugins available in the WordPress repository. After a moment, you should see the FluentSMTP plugin appear in your search results. You'll recognize it by its name and icon. Next to the plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button. Go ahead and click on this button. WordPress will now download and install the plugin directly onto your site, which typically takes just a few seconds depending on your connection speed. Once the installation is complete, the Install Now button will automatically change to an Activate button. This is an important step because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional. You need to activate it to enable its features. Click the Activate button to complete the process. And there you have it. FluentSMTP is now installed and activated on your WordPress site, ready to help you manage your email sending with improved reliability and deliverability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.